In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file and generate a shareable link in Google Drive. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's up, type Google Drive into the search bar and hit Enter. The very first result should be Google Drive. Alternatively, you can directly go to drive.google.com/drive-quota. This link will take you straight to your Google Drive homepage if you're already logged in. If not, don't worry, simply log in using your Google credentials to get started. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Locate the Plus New button at the upper part of this sidebar. It's essentially your starting point for uploading new files. Go ahead and click it. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to choose File Upload. Doing so will open up your computer's file explorer, allowing you to navigate through your folders to find the specific file you wish to upload. Once you've found it, select the file and hit Open, and it will start uploading. There's a faster way if you prefer. You can simply drag and drop your file directly into the Google Drive window. This method is especially convenient if you have your file readily available on your desktop for an instant move into Google Drive. After you've uploaded your file, ensure it's found its way into your storage by locating it under My Drive, or within any specific folder you chose for it. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, the upload time can vary, so just be patient for a moment as it completes. Once the file is uploaded and visible in your drive, right-click on it. This will open a context menu where you'll select the Share option. Alternatively, you might see a toolbar at the top and can click on the Share icon, which looks like a person with a plus sign. This will open the sharing dialog box. Initially, you might see the access level set to Restricted, meaning only specific people can view it. If you want to share it more broadly, click Change next to General Access and switch the setting to Anyone with the link. At this point, you can select the level of access you'd like to assign to this link: Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Choose the one that best suits how you want others to interact with your file. Now that you've set the permissions, go ahead and click Copy Link. The link is now copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you like. Finally, hit Done to close the sharing settings. Now, feel free to paste this link into an email, a messaging app, a document, or wherever you need it. Anyone with this link can access the file with the permissions you've granted, making it simple and efficient to share your work.